D. Sharma, class 6, chapter number 7, decimal. In that topic is some uses of decimal notation. First one, it is there in money value. Now we know that that is 100 paise equal to 1 rupees. But you know that 1 paise equal to how much rupees, right? So what we have to do, 1 cross multiplication, like this way, 1 into 1 upon 100. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 100. So what is the answer? In decimal we have to convert that, 0.01 rupees. So therefore 1 paise equal to 0.01 rupees. Now in measure of length. Now length we know that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, right? So 1 millimeter equal to how much? So same as it is 1 into 1 upon 10. So 1 into 1 is 1 upon 10. So which is equal to 0.1 centimeter, right? 0.1 if we will do in decimal then. So therefore 1 mm equal to 0.1 centimeter. We know that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter equal to how many meter? So 1 cross multiplication, 1 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 1 upon 100, which is equal to, here in decimal we will convert, so 0.01 meter. So therefore 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. We know that 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equal to how much? So equal to 1 into 1 upon 1000 equal to 1 upon 1000 equal to 0.001 kilometer. So therefore 1 meter equal to 0.001 kilometer. In measure of weight. Now weight, we know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. So 1 gram equal to how many kg? So 1 into 1 upon 1000 equal to 1 upon 1000 equal to 0.001 kg. Another one, that is measure of capacity. Now we know that 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So 1 milliliter equal to how many milliliter equal to how many liter? So cross multiplication, 1 into 1 upon 1000 equal to 1 upon 1000 equal to 0.001 liter. Exercise 7.6, question number 1, express as rupees using decimal. Now you are given 50 paise, you have to convert that in rupees. So let us do it. Now here we know that 1 paise equal to 0.01 rupees. So 15 paise equal to how much? Cross multiplication. So we have to multiply with 0.01 into 15. Okay, so which is equal to, just take out the point, 1 upon 100 into 15, which is equal to 0.15 rupees. Okay, I have just convert this indirectly, 15 upon 100, so 0.15 rupees. Second question is 5 paise. Now we know that 1 paise equal to 0.01, or you can write in fraction 1 upon 100 rupees. So 5 paise equal to how much? So cross multiplication 5 into 1 upon 100. So 5 upon 100. So answer is 0.05 rupees. Okay. Here's fourth one, 2 rupees 60 paisa. Now here we have to convert paisa into rupees first. So we'll convert this 60 paisa. So we know that 1 paisa equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So 60 paisa equal to how much? Cross multiplication 60 upon 100. 1 into 100 is 60 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. So 0.6 rupees. Okay. Then what we have to do? This we have to plus 2 rupees we had given and 60 paisa. So equal to 2 rupees plus 60 paisa in rupees is 0.6 rupees. So this one we have to plus. So 2.6 rupees. Okay. Express as meter using decimal. Now this centimeter we have to convert into meter. Now here we know that 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 or 1 upon 100 meter. Okay. So 15 centimeter equal to how much? So multiply. So 15 into 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100. So equal to how much? 0.15 meter. Okay. Now second one, that is 8 centimeter. Now first statement we'll write this only. 1 centimeter equal to 0. Directly write 1 upon 100 meter. Then 8 centimeter equal to how much? Cross multiply. That is 8 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 0.08 meter. Now fourth one, 3 meter 65 centimeter. Now this 65 we have to convert into meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Therefore 65 centimeter equal to how much? To convert 65 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 0.65 meter. Now this one we have to plus 3 meter 65 centimeter equal to 3 plus 65. Instead of 65, what we have to do? This is 3 meter. Instead of 65, we will write 0.65 meter. So equal to 3.65 meter is the answer. Now 5 mm, we have to convert this into question number 3. This express as centimeter using decimal. So this mm, millimeter, we have to convert into centimeter. So what we know that 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? 0.1 means 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 5 millimeter equal to how much? So equal to 5 into 1 upon 10, which is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Now second one, 60 mm. That is, we know that 1 mm equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 60 mm equal to how much? So which is equal to 60 into 1 upon 10. 0 0 cancel. So equal to 6 centimeter. Fourth one, 4 centimeter 5 mm. Now this 5 millimeter we have to convert this into centimeter. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 5 millimeter equal to 5 upon 10. So equal to 0.5 centimeter. Now what we have to do? Plus with 4. So 4 centimeter 5 mm equal to 4 centimeter plus 5 mm is 0.5 centimeter equal to 4.5 centimeter. Number 4, write express a kilometer using decimal. Now this 5 meter we have to convert into kilometer. Now we know that 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Therefore 5 meter equal to how much? Cross multiplication, 5 into 1 upon 1000. So what is the answer? 0.005 kilometer. Second one, question is 55 meter. So 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Therefore 55 meter equal to how much? So cross multiplication, 55 into 1 upon 1000. So equal to 55 0.055 kilometer. Okay. Now another one, which is fifth one, 15 kilometer 35 meter. Now first this 35 meter we have to convert in kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 35 meter equal to how much? So 35 into 1 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.035 kilometer. Now we'll add it with 50. So 15 kilometer 35 meter equal to 15 kilometer plus 0.035 kilometer. So equal to 15.035 kilometer is the answer. Now question number 5. First one, 8 gram. Here we have to convert this 8 gram into kg. So we know that 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 8 gram equal to how much? 8 into 1 upon 1000. So is equal to 0.008 kg. 150 gram. So we know that 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. Therefore 150 gram equal to how much? So 150 into 1 upon 1000, so equal to 0, 0, 0 cancel, so 0.15 kg. Okay. Now fourth one, that is 5 kg 75 gram. Okay, this 750 gram we have to convert into kg. So 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. Therefore 750 gram equal to how much? So 750 into 1 upon 1000, 0, 0 cancel, equal to 0.75 kg. This 0.75 kg plus with 5, so 5 kg 750 gram equal to 5 kg plus 0.75 kg equal to 5.75 kg. Question number 6. Express each of the following without using decimal. First one, rupees 525. Now this we have to take out the point. So we can write in fraction form. So let us write it down. That question number 6, first one, rupees 5.25. So we can write here, after point 2 point is there, 2 number is there, so 20, so 100. Now cancellation, 25 4s are 100 and 25 21s are, so equal to 21 upon 4 rupees. Second one, question is 8.354 kg. Now this one we have to write in fraction form. So 8354 upon how many point? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros. Now we have to with 2 can cancel 2, 5 are 10, 0 and 0, 2, 4 are 8, 2, 2 are 2, 1 are 2, 1 remain 15, so 7 are 14, another 1 remain, so 7 are 14, which is equal to 4177 upon 500 kg. Now third one, 3.5 centimeter. This point we have to convert into decimal. So 335 upon 10. So 5 2s are 5 7s are. So equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. Fourth one, question is 3.05 kilometer. So 305 upon 100. 5 2s are 0s are 5, 6 are 30 and 1s are 5. So 61 upon 20 kilometer. Another question is fifth one, that is in meter. 7.54 meter. So equal to 754 upon 100. So cancellation. 2 5s are 0, 2 6 3s are 6, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 1 remains 7, so equal to 377 upon 50 meter is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.